Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to install Postman in MacBook. Open browser and search for Postman download. You will see the official website here. I also mention this link in description. Get inside the link. So once you reach the link, you can see the different version. Choose which chip you have. I have Apple chip, so I am going with this one. Just click on the button. It will start to download. Okay, once it's downloaded, open the file. It's zip file. Just open, it will extract. Double click on the extracted file, so it will ask for permission. So open, move to the application folder. So now we successfully installed. So once it's done, it will open. So once it's open, it will ask for the email ID. If you have one, you can log in with that, or else click continue without an account. Okay, you can sign up for free. Sign up for free. Once the account created, open Postman. Okay, your account is created.